I-try natin yung i-open. Kahit isang patak, walang lumalabas. Oh, wala lumalabas. Naka-on na yan. Walang mga laman. Wala kasing tubig eh. Minsan may give kami sa balon para makakuha lang panghugas sa pinggan. Minsan, wala kasing tao dito, pumunta sa kabilang bahay. Sila lang lolo at lola dito maiiwan. Wala masang reklamo. Basta sa kanila lang, basta mayroong tubig, kahit madumi pa yan, tinitiis rin nila. Para sa amin, hindi eh. Kasi marumi yan eh. Sa sitwasyon ni nanay ngayon, hindi siya makatayo. Dahil lang sa stroke siya. Sa ngayon, hindi muna siya nilinis kasi walang tubig na malinis eh. Yung una po, yung nasa bukid pa kami, maraming nabibigay ng donation doon. Pero pag lipat namin dito, halos wala na.
Since after the earthquake, our bridge was affected, so yung 6 inches pipe namin is nag-fail. May barangays kasi doon na low yung pressure, so we have to create a temporary bypass. But since yung diameter niya is quite small, yung volume is really not enough for the other barangays. It's hard. We want to do more, but you know, it's limited.
Right now we are in Daanbantayan Poblacion, in the bridge that just collapsed. With that, not only the connection with several communities, but also the access of water. And the water districts, as we do have great relationships with the government here, say to us if we were able to help them. And we did our best to get some materials and all the things that they needed to make a solution. So several communities there in Pai Pai will have access now for more water. And right now we have started doing the repairs here with the water district to make a bypass to get the water to the families that are in need. This is something that we were called to support in a different way to make an impact.
And everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus concerning you.
I'm speechless because when they said that, no, we will help you, we're willing to help you, so it's like a heavy burden was lifted. So I'm so grateful. I'm sure a lot of the Daanbantayans will also be very grateful for this help.
Kaya nagpasalamat kami sa tulong nyo. Hindi ito maano sir, mabuksan kung wala kayo. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo sa tumutulong sa amin.
Thank you sa lahat na nagtulong sa akin. Blessing kayo sa ating Panginoon.